Want to power up your iPhone and laptop at the same time with just one compact charger? Or charge multiple Apple devices together without dealing with a mess of cables? It's easier than ever now. Whether you're traveling abroad or just working from a cafe, these accessories are designed to keep your devices powered all day long, without bulky gear or complicated setups. If you're always on the go but constantly running low on battery, this list has you covered. Let's explore the best travel accessories for all-day power. Tired of juggling multiple chargers and tangled cables while on the go or in your workspace? Here is the EcoFlow Rapid Pro 27K, which makes it effortless. With its 27,650 mAh of power and 60-centimeter built-in cable, it delivers mighty power without taking up much space. The 140-watt retractable USB-C cable keeps charging clean and organized, so just pull, plug, and power up, eliminating tangled wires and clutter. And when it comes to output, this thing does not hold back. You get up to 300 watts across multiple ports, so your laptop, phone, tablet, even a console can all charge at the same time without slowing each other down. It fits right into a work setup, and it feels just as comfortable outdoors when you have multiple devices running together. But now you might be wondering about its performance. Well, it excels in that area too. A single 140-watt port can take a laptop to around 50% in about 30 minutes. At the same time, the full 300-watt output stays stable under load, so everything keeps charging as expected. And when the power bank itself runs low, the recharge is seriously quick. With a 320-watt station or 280-watt dual input, you can go from 0 to 80% in roughly 20 to 26 minutes. Moreover, with 27,650 mAh and 99.54 watt-hours, it stays within airline carry-on limits, so you can take it on flights without worry. You also get a 3.9-inch smart display and app control, which let you check charging status, manage output, and keep an eye on every connected device in real time. With its combination of power, speed, and convenience, along with industry-leading specs, this EcoFlow Rapid Pro 27K is the ultimate companion for anyone who needs portable power on the go. It transforms the way you stay charged, delivering freedom, reliability, and peace of mind wherever your day takes you. When you're traveling with multiple devices, charging can become a mess. That's where the Belkin 3-in-1 wireless charger steps in. It lets you charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at the same time, keeping everything in one neat spot. Thanks to Qi 2 technology, it charges your phone super fast, up to 15 watts, so you're not stuck waiting around. The foldable design makes it really travel-friendly, letting you set it up easily at a hotel or coffee shop. Plus, it supports Apple's standby mode, so your phone can double as a mini display clock while it charges. The materials feel premium and sturdy, and it even works through cases up to 3 millimeters thick. With a 36-watt power supply and a USB-C cable included, you've got everything you need right out of the box. This charger keeps all your gear ready to go in style. Let's say you're an all-in Apple fan. iPhone, Apple Watch, AirPods, the whole ecosystem. What if we told you there's one tiny cube that can charge them all at the same time? Enter the Anker 3-in-1 cube with MagSafe. It folds down small enough to fit in your palm, but when it unfolds, you've got a dedicated spot to wirelessly charge your iPhone, fast charge your Apple Watch, and power up your AirPods, all without a single cable in sight. It's like a charging station shrunk to travel size. For your iPhone, it delivers true 15-watt ultra-fast MagSafe charging, thanks to Apple's Made for MagSafe certification. That means no compromises, no weird alignments. Just drop it on and go, and the flexibility on point. The phone stand adjusts up to 60 degrees, so whether you're catching up on YouTube, FaceTiming friends, or using your phone as a second screen, you've got a perfect view. All while topping off the battery. It's especially useful during those long layovers or hotel nights when outlets are scarce, and you've got multiple devices dying at once. Nothing ruins a trip faster than realizing your charger doesn't fit the outlet. That's why the Epicka Universal Travel Adapter is a total game changer. This little device works in over 200 countries, so no matter where you land, Europe, Australia, the US, Asia, you're covered. Even better, it's got 3 USB-C ports, 2 USB-A ports, and an AC outlet, so you can charge up to 6 devices at once. Your phone, camera, tablet, headphones, all powered up together without fighting over plugs. It's compact enough to slide right into your backpack or pocket, and it's built with safety features like a built-in fuse and locking system. Whether you're a backpacker, business traveler, or just love being prepared, this adapter makes sure you stay connected and stress-free wherever you go. No more dead battery panic on the road. And then we have your on-the-go battery life solution. Check out the Baseus 100-watt power bank. It's 18mm slim, portable, and definitely a great-looking power bank with comfortable grip textures. As for its connectivity, it includes 2 USB-A ports and 2 Type-C ports, which will get the job done. Additionally, this 20,000 mAh battery can easily charge up to 4 devices, including 1 laptop and a tab at the same time. On top of that, it has a built-in LED display which indicates battery status, time, and voltage as well. So if you are looking for an on-the-go charging solution, then this power bank is really a great option for you. Sometimes all you need is a wall plug that can do it all. That's where the Anker Prime 100-watt 3-port wall charger slips in perfectly. It's small enough to vanish in your bag, and yet powerful enough to charge your phone, tablet, and laptop at the same time. Sounds like magic, right? With 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A, this tiny brick delivers a whopping 100-watt output. That means you can plug in your MacBook and your phone, and still have juice left for your tablet or earbuds. It doesn't slow down, even when you're using all 3 ports. But here's the best part. It's 43% smaller than Apple's old 96-watt MacBook charger. That's not just space-saving, it's sanity-saving, especially when you're already juggling passports, adapters, and who knows what else while traveling. And like the others, safety is baked in. Anker's Active Shield 2.0 monitors temperatures and adjusts power to protect your devices. If you're always on the move and hate carrying bulky power banks, the iWALK LinkPod Switch is a must-have. It's about the size of a lipstick and weighs just over 3 ounces, so you can slip it into your pocket without even noticing. Despite its small size, it packs a solid 5,000 mAh battery, enough to charge your iPhone up to 85%. What makes it really handy is the 2-in-1 connector that switches between USB-C and Lightning in a second, so you can easily charge nearly any device, whether you're Team Android or iPhone. Plus, it supports fast charging and even recharges itself fully in under 2 hours. With 9 layers of safety protection, you won't have to worry about overheating or overcharging. It's the perfect mini power boost for flights, road trips, or just a long day out exploring. So that concludes our list of the best travel accessories. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.